I hope all of you are doing good. So children, in our last class, we were looking at the pictures in this story reader book, right? So all of you have your story reader book with you? Yes, so in our last class, we have done the half part from this story reader book. So now the last half part we'll be doing today. Today we'll look at the last half part of the picture and we'll identify what is going on in the story. So now all of you be prepared with the story reader book. Okay? Yes. So now let's start. Children, in our last class we have done up to this page. So today we will be doing from this page. Okay? Now all of you look at the picture very clear, very nicely. All of you look at the picture. Now can you tell me where is the girl going? We can see that the girl is going somewhere. Where is the girl going? Yes, she is climbing up. Right, now she is climbing up the fire engine. So, can you tell me why do you think she is climbing up? Why is she climbing up? Yes, maybe she want to look what is kept in the fire engine, in the upside of the fire engine. Right? Okay, now all of you turn your page. Now, look at this picture. Look at this picture. Where is the girl now? Where is the girl now? Yes, she is in the upside of the fire engine. What is this? This is a ladder. Siri, right? We call it Siri. This is a ladder. We can climb in this to go upside of anything. Okay, now all of you turn your page. So, what do you think is happening? Does the girl look happy, sad or surprised? Does the girl look happy, sad or surprised? Yes, she looks surprised. She looks surprised. Yes, very good. All of you turn your page and look at this picture. What do you think she is saying here? What do you think? This is Varsha, right? What do you think? Maybe she is saying to climb the fire engine. Who is this? Who is climbing now? This is also a firefighter like Varsha, right? Okay, very good. Now all of you turn your page. Now look at this page. Does everyone look busy in this picture? Yes, he is going somewhere. He is doing something. Then they are doing something. So everyone is busy in this picture. So where do you think the fire engine is going? When we use a fire engine, when we want to put off any fire, right? Yes? Okay. अगर कहीं पे फायर लग गया तो वो फायर हम लोग बुझाने के लिए फायर फाइटर्स बुलाते हैं. And they come with their fire engine. Yes, very good. Now all of you turn your page. Now look at this picture. Why do you think the girl is thinking about? What do you think the girl is thinking about? The girl is looking at the fire engine and she may be thinking about the firefighters, how they work, how they help others, right? Yes, okay. So now you tell me, what is the girl looking at? What is the girl looking at? Yes, the girl is looking at herself, but with a yellow helmet like the firefighter. Can you see this? Yes, she is looking at herself, but she is in a firefighter dress and a helmet. That means she also want to become a firefighter, right? She also want to become a firefighter. Okay, very good. Now all of you turn your page. Now look at this page. What has her father put on her head? What has her father put on her head? A yellow helmet. And does the girl look happy? Yes, she is very happy. Yes, she is very happy because I think she wants to become a firefighter, right? Yes, I think she wants to become a firefighter. So she is very happy that she is wearing a firefighter yellow helmet. Okay. So this is the end part. Okay. Okay, very good. So we have completed this. So we have completed looking at the pictures, right? Okay, very good. So children, that's all for today. We'll see you in our next class. All of you take care and bye.